You just took Dallas off the map. Let's see. Wait. Let's make sure. Dallas is gone.
Oh my God!
Why are you so excited?
I just bought the only pair of VIP passes to go see Joe Brooks. I get to meet him.